How you guys doing? You're doing great. Here, your host Saul Alonso here from Mexico City, and actually just sharing with you this great company Vellius. All right, and just very quickly, the legal aspects. Just want to show you, some of the documents that we have. Obviously, here you can see inside your back office, right? Once you sign up and everything, you're gonna get access to all these documents. So you can actually just click on every you know documents, and you can see the legal aspect in Panama, right? And also there is the one in Canada. All right, so it's very powerful, this you know uh, these legal aspects, because as simple um, as a good company, as an investment company, it's very necessary to have all these backups, right? As a legal stuff, because this is not a Ponzi scam or something like that. I mean, we've been reviewing this company for the last couple months. I joined a couple months ago, just with $100. um, a guy from my sponsor, actually, he's from Canada, right? So he invited me and everything. So I said, okay, let's take a look. So I've been just getting two times already my withdrawals, which is so awesome, right? But in this special occasion, I wanted to show you, all right, the SEC registration, all right. This Securities Exchange Commission, right, is providing a publicly verifiable record of the company and its investment structure. All right, this ensures transparency of the key of key company data and confirms the company's presence within the U.S. regulatory environment. All right, so we can actually just click on it. I already did, and you can see this. Okay, you click on this, and then it's going to take you here. All right, and this is how you identify this company, right? Values Ltd, all right, limited, from New York. All right, so the registration is over there. And what this commission actually does is just kind of like inspect that everything is correct, that you guys, that every company and every single people and investor or whatever, pays taxes and all that, right? Pretty much, right? And you can see the persons, right, in charge of this, right? Ramirez Ferreira, Ricardo, right? And it's very very clear and transparent. That's what I like also, okay, about this company. So I wanted to just show you guys this, okay, because it's very important. So we are part of the investment, all right, investment aspects, all right. um and what else? All right, the revenue, all right, range is just 100,000, no, 100, yeah, 100 million, right? 100 million dollars. All right, that's what it's expected to be managing, okay, the company. So you pretty much you can see everything here, and this is what I like, because as an investor, right? Let's suppose that you invest, for example, $1 million. Come on, I mean, it's a huge money, right? So you want to be, you're gonna make sure that everything is in order, and then you're gonna um, be, right, being part of the um, profits, right, generated by the company and everything. So it's pretty useful, right, just to know this, guys. But pretty quickly, let me show you really quickly my my back office. All right, this is what I actually have. You can invest in US dollar, you can invest in Bitcoin or Ethereum. All right, in my case, I put some money here in Bitcoin. I have these earnings, these profits, and it's just pretty much just working automatically. Look, you see right there, all these deposits, right? Um, since the day that I started, right? And then the withdrawals, you can see here, right here, one in BTC, right? That was a couple days ago, uh, April 14th, right? And it was pretty good. I mean, it took like 7 hours to arrive into my Binance wallet, so it's pretty good, guys. So I'm just gonna leave you the details and everything, okay? But pretty quickly, I'm gonna show you, um, you know, the deposits and how much you can actually make, okay, with the company. For example, look this. Okay, if you place any money from 0.0000541 satoshis, right, which is like around $75, all right, if you convert it into US dollars, it'll be like, yeah, like $75, all right. So um, it's gonna last 130 days already. um, you can also take some of the others packages, let's say that way, okay, because the base is right here, for example, 0.75, all right, in average. That's what it's going to give you, all right, for 130 days, which is so good. All right, you're going to reach a point where you recover your capital, or your seed capital, and then after that, then they keep paying you, all right, for 130 days in total already. So the next package is the core BTC, right? It's between 1.25%, okay, in average, for 170 days. Okay, the next one is the elite BTC, 1.75% for 210 days, and the apex, right, which is 2.25%, for 250 days, right? So it's just kind of like a long investment, but but it's okay. It's okay because you're gonna be making a really good money. All right. So this is what we have already, guys. Pretty interesting. This is actually um, my link, my referral link, because you can also create a database of clients, right? By inviting, like am I doing right now, guys? So you can actually just screenshot or something and kind of like right go ahead and use the QR code right there, scan it with your phone, and it's going to take you directly to the, the place where you sign up and everything. And then once you do that, then contact me and I can help you to set up your account and everything else, all right? Because I have an awesome sponsor, I gotta tell you, the guy from Canada, right? um, Actually, I can he introduced me to everything, and I set up all my back office, and now he's working in automation for me, automatically is working for me, all right? So it's pretty powerful, pretty good, guys. uh, I can actually just show you more things, but I think this is going to be enough. All right, if you need more assistance, we can definitely go into a Zoom meeting, or a Google Meet or something. Okay, and then I can show you my screen. You can see everything, or maybe you can also share your screen, and I can show you. Hey, click here, click there, and everything. You can even do this out of your phone, which is so awesome. Okay, guys. Well, thank you so much. All right, thank you for watching this video and for sharing with others.